Hi, I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Cling. Cling. Cling means hold on to. For example, she clung to Joe's arm. She clung to Joe's arm. Synonyms: hold on to, clutch, grip. Coincide. Coincide. Coincide means occur at same time. For example, publication is timed to coincide with a major exhibition. Publication is timed to coincide with a major exhibition. Synonyms: occur simultaneously, happen together, happen at the same time. Collaborate. Collaborate. Collaborate means work jointly on activity. For example, he collaborated with a distinguished painter on the designs. He collaborated with a distinguished painter on the designs. Synonyms: cooperate, join, join up. Combat. Combat. Combat means take action to reduce or prevent. For example, an effort to combat drug trafficking. An effort to combat drug trafficking. Synonyms: fight, battle against, do battle with. Commence. Commence. Commence means begin. For example, his design team commenced work. His design team commenced work. Synonyms: begin, start, start off. Compel. Compel. Compel means force or oblige someone to do something. For example, a sense of duty compelled Harry to answer her questions. A sense of duty compelled Harry to answer her questions. Synonyms: force, coerce into, pressurize into. Compensate. Compensate. Compensate means give someone something in recognition of loss. For example, payments were made to farmers to compensate them for cuts in subsidies. Payments were made to farmers to compensate them for cuts in subsidies. Synonyms: recompense, repay, pay back. Compile. Compile. Compile means produce list etc. by assembling information. For example, the local authority must compile a list of taxpayers. The local authority must compile a list of taxpayers. Synonyms: assemble, put together, make up. Comply. Comply. Comply means act in accordance with wish or command. For example, we are unable to comply with your request. We are unable to comply with your request. Synonyms: abide by, act in accordance with, observe. Compute. Compute. Compute means reckon or calculate. For example, we can compute the exact increase. We can compute the exact increase. Synonyms: calculate, work out, reckon. Conceal. Conceal. Conceal means not allow to be seen. For example, a line of sand dunes concealed the distant sea. A line of sand dunes concealed the distant sea. Synonyms: hide, keep out of sight, keep hidden. Concede. Concede. Concede means finally admit something is true. For example, I had to concede that I'd overreacted. I had to concede that I'd overreacted. Synonyms: admit, acknowledge, accept. Conceive. Conceive. Conceive means create embryo. For example, she was conceived when her father was 49. She was conceived when her father was 49. Confer. Confer. Confer means grant. For example, moves were made to confer an honorary degree on her. Moves were made to confer an honorary degree on her. Synonyms: bestow on, present to, present with. Confine. Confine. Confine means keep or restrict within limits. For example, he does not confine his message to politics. He does not confine his message to politics. Synonyms: enclose, incarcerate, imprison. Confront. Confront. Confront means face with hostile intent. For example, he confronted the robbers as they were trying to leave. He confronted the robbers as they were trying to leave. Synonyms: challenge, square up to, oppose. Congratulate. Congratulate. Congratulate means give someone one's good wishes when something special or pleasant has happened to them. For example, I went into the living room to congratulate Bill on his marriage. I went into the living room to congratulate Bill on his marriage. Synonyms: give someone one's good wishes, wish someone good luck, wish someone joy. Conquer. Conquer. Conquer means overcome and take control of place or people by military force. For example, the Magyars conquered Hungary in the Middle Ages. The Magyars conquered Hungary in the Middle Ages. Synonyms: defeat, beat, vanquish. Consent. Consent. Consent means give permission for something to happen. For example, he consented to a search by a detective. He consented to a search by a detective. Synonyms: agree to, assent to, allow. Consolidate. Consolidate. Consolidate means make physically stronger. For example, the first phase of the project is to consolidate the outside walls. The first phase of the project is to consolidate the outside walls.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.